You have everything. You have everything they say, the world at your feet, the stars in your eyes, a heart so pure, a soul so kind. In you, the universe conspires. You have everything they whisper, beauty that transcends the physical, intelligence that sparks like fire, a presence that commands attention. But what is everything? I wonder when the nights are long and the days are cold, when the heart aches with a longing untold, when fear and uncertainty hold, you have everything, they insist. Yet I see the cracks in your facade, the silent tears, the hidden scars, the battles fought behind closed doors. You have everything they proclaim, but do they see the weight you bear? The dreams deferred, silent prayers, the love that you so desperately crave. You have everything they declare, but I see you in all your humanity. The strength, the vulnerability, the beauty in your imperfection. You have everything, they chant, and in you I see the divine, a reflection of love so pure, a testament to the power of the heart. You have everything, they sing, and in your eyes I find my home, a place where love and hope reside, a sanctuary from the storm. You have everything, they say, and in you I find my everything, a love that transcends time and space, a bond that nothing can erase.